the world. We are saving kids from leukemia because what it used to be is the survival rate for leukemia was 0.4%. 0.4%. But with the help from y'all donating to St. Jude, we now have it all the way to 97% survival rate. Thanks to the donations to St. Jude. St. Jude only operates on donations because it takes $2.2 million a day. Not a week, not a month, not a year, but a day to operate and make sure everything goes good, to make sure that the kids of the future are able to see it. We love each and every one of y'all. If y'all want to come down, we have shirts for $12, bears for $28, or if you want to just do an additional donation, we're more than happy. Every cent goes to St. Jude. Last cruise we had $2,300+ donated to St. Jude. So we're going to get this thing started. DJ Rizzo, let's get this party going.
All right, we have our towel animal. Oop, he's got a card right there on his face. But we have our towel animal, and Tiffany got the book on how to make towel animals. So there's supposed to be over 20 different towel animals that you can make in this book right here. She wants to have towel animal wars with the room stewards, and she also got her St. Jude's bear. You ready for dinner, baby?
Yes, I'm hungry.
You hungry? It is baked Alaska night.
Yes, I skipped a real lunch. I just had a piece of cake.
But y'all, we got ocean view. Of course, it's lifeboat ocean, but still.
We're safe.
Yeah. We got ocean view and safety all in the same spot. I like it. What about you?
I like it.
This is Patsy's 88 Keys Rock Show. It's one of my favorite bars. Believe it or not, this is my first night working at this bar. I've just been a regular. How's everyone else enjoying the bar? Everyone having drinks? Yeah? Oh, don't drink too much of that. You'll be up all night, girl. Now, like I said, we're at a piano bar, so I want you all to sing and dance along with us, okay? So if you hear a song you like, I want you to sing along. Sound good? Yeah! All right, let's try something. How about... Ooh. I like this song. I grew up listening to this song. Who grew up listening to this song? Is everybody? Oh, you sound beautiful. La la di da. This is my show, okay? Sing us a song tonight.
Carnival Breeze, give it up for the amazing cast of Alien Key!
Believe it or not, that really was my first time doing this show, so I really had a good time. Thank you so much for joining us tonight. Now, you all think they deserve one more, I think, right? Yeah. I think one more, just one more before you go. For me, yeah? How about we do I'm Still Standing? You guys know I'm Still Standing, my arms right? Let's do I'm Still Standing. Hey, Miguel.
Carnival Breeze, once again for the amazing cast of Alien Key! Alright, keep it going! Give it up for your muse, it's Kishana! And of course, your piano
Last sea day is done, unfortunately. You know what that means.
Packing. Time
Pack.
to go home.
Yeah, we've already packed, already put our luggage out. They've picked that up already, but yeah, tomorrow is embarkation day.
Disembarkation.
What did I say?
Embarkation.
Wow. Wishful thinking, right? Yeah, tomorrow's the embarkation. We're just going to stay on the ship. No. I wish, long day. I wish it was embarkation. No, it is disembarkation. And so we're going to have to get off the ship tomorrow. But we had a good day today.
Yes.
We had a lot of fun. We saw ice carving.
Yes.
We saw St Jude's, grew for St Jude's.
Yes.
See, Tiffany got her groove for St Jude's Bear. We went to 88 Keys production show. We just kind of hung out. We went and did trivia. Came close. We were all missed it by two. So it has been a really good day. Went to dinner, got my baked Alaska. Got to get my baked Alaska on the last night. But it is time to wind down for today and finish up everything we need to finish up to get off the ship tomorrow. It's been a good cruise, though.
Yes, it has.
We've had tons of fun. I said a bunch of people on the ship that we knew. I said a kind of an impromptu, casual
Family reunion kind of thing.
family reunion, get together kind of cruise. So it's been really, really great seeing everybody, just hanging out, talking, spending time. Dylan had a good time on his birthday
Graduation cruise.
cruise. He's not in a whole bunch of the videos. I'm sure you guys have noticed that. He's been a little camera shy. But that's okay. He was on here to have a good time, and he's been doing that, getting a chance to run around with family members and some kids and stuff like that. So, but I hope everyone out there has a really good night. If you have enjoyed this video, do me a favor and hit that like button. If you haven't done so yet, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. It's free to do so. Helps our channel grow. Let you know anytime we put out a new video, just like these wonderful cruising videos. Well, I hope they're wonderful. Hopefully you guys think they're wonderful. Cruising videos. Again, everyone have a really good night. And like always,
We'll see you on the high seas.